Hello, and welcome back to Life with Mama Khan. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious and quick spicy beef and cheese bake. First, I got my macaroni ready. You can even use penne pasta or big macaroni for this dish. Then I added some oil to a pan to fry my diced onion in. So here I'm making some pre-fried onions, and I'll add this to the meat once the meat has cooked. I used about 500 grams of ground beef for this recipe. Once the meat had browned, I added in a crushed chicken stock cube, some red crushed chilies, dried oregano, soy sauce, and then I added in the onions, then garlic paste, and gave it a mix. I also seasoned my meat with some extra salt because soy sauce was not salty enough. Then I added about half a cup of milk, and then I added the pasta to this mix. I sort of stirred it in till it mixed well into the milk. Then I poured some of this mixture in a baking tray and added some cheese. Next, I added the remaining pasta and topped it off with some cheese as well. Then I garnished it with tomato ketchup like so. This went into the oven, which was preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And it came out looking and tasting delicious. See how quick that was? And this is a budget-friendly recipe as well. And we all really enjoyed this meal. Hope you tried this recipe. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time!